Hi everyone, welcome back to today's class on cognitive development, where we will explore the journey of how we learn, think and understand. This topic is very simple yet important from the exam point of view. It is picked up from the Net Education Syllabus, Unit 3 Subtopic A. So cognitive development is not something that happens overnight. It is a continuous process that shapes our ability to reason, solve problems, and remember throughout life. And in this video, we will learn the foundational meaning and significance of cognitive development, key cognitive processes such as attention, memory, perception, and language, and their roles, the main stages of cognitive growth, each marked by new abilities and understanding. Cognitive development is essentially the growth of our mental abilities and include our ability to think, solve problems, remember, and learn. In simpler terms, it is the gradual process by which our minds become capable of tackling complex tasks, communicating ideas, and adapting to new challenges. Understanding cognitive development is particularly important for educators, psychologists, and anyone involved in learning. When we understand how cognitive abilities develop, we can create supportive learning environments and offer guidance tailored to each stage of a learner's growth. Now, let us dive into the core cognitive processes, which form the foundation of our thinking and understanding. These are essential mental tools that we rely on to interact with the world. First, there is attention. This process allows us to focus on tasks or information even when distractions are present. For example, think of a student studying in a noisy cafe who is ignoring all the background noises to focus on reading. Attention allows us to focus on specific things that are important to us while ignoring less relevant ones. As we grow, our ability to concentrate and focus improves, enabling us to become better at paying attention to what matters in different situations, like studying or listening to someone in a conversation. Next, we have memory. Memory allows us to store and retrieve information, like recalling a friend's birthday or remembering the way home. In young children, memory might be used to remember how to tie their shoes, while for adults, it could mean remembering critical information for a work presentation. Another essential cognitive process is perception. Perception helps us interpret sensory information, like recognizing a familiar face in a crowd or distinguishing between a car horn and a ringtone. Perception helps us make sense of the world by organizing the sights, sounds, and sensory data around us. Lastly, we have language, which is essential for communication. Language begins with learning basic words, then advances to forming sentences and expressing complex ideas. A young child learning to say mom or dad is at the beginning of this journey, while older children use language to share ideas or ask questions, deepening their understanding of the world. Now, let us discuss the stages of cognitive development, which outline the gradual building of cognitive abilities throughout life. Each stage reflects new skills and abilities, building on previous stage to support more advanced thinking. In early childhood, children may only recognize that one toy belongs to them and another to a friend. As they grow, they learn more advanced concepts like sharing, grouping, or categorizing objects. Each stage in cognitive growth brings new skills, allowing us to handle increasingly complex tasks. So that was all on today's class on cognitive processes and stages of cognitive development. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.